ह्यूमन राइट्स डिफेंस इंडिया के तत्वावधान में उस बैनर से किया जा रहा है। मैं अपने सहयोगी श्री संजय कपूर जी से अनुरोध करूंगा कि वे आकर के इस संगठन के बारे में बहुत संक्षेप में हम सबको परिचय दें। श्री संजय कपूर।
Namaskar. Human Rights Defense India extends heartiest welcome to you all on this day, and thank you for your interest and patience. To start with, let me take the opportunity of sharing few key factors about Human Rights Defense India. Human Rights Defense India was incorporated in the year 2005 with the objective of extending voice for the members of society, irrespective of their caste, creed, sex, religion, culture and creed, who are suppressed by society, individuals, religious groups and government, and further help the deprived seek justice. You can call us a whistleblower of the human society. This is a group which is an independent, non-political and non-profit body. Since our inception, we have raised a voice for the cause of which were directly or indirectly affecting humans in India and world over. It's my privilege in sharing with you a few of the prestigious programs undertaken by our organization. We had invited Mr. Gyan Singh, the then Director of Parliamentary Committee of Human Rights of Pakistan, to address the problem of religious minorities in Pakistan. We have invited Justice Vigneshwara, Justice Supreme Court of Sri Lanka, to discuss the plight of Tamils. We had also invited Mr. Ravinder Ghosh, human rights activist of Bangladesh, to discuss challenges being faced by religious minorities in Bangladesh. We had also organized symposium and protest march in support of activists of Hindu Rights Action Force Malaysia, who were arrested under the provisions of ISA of Malaysia for protesting migration of Tamils in Malaysia. We have also organized symposium and discussion with Tibet Youth Council to protest violation of human rights in Tibet, China. We also have invited Dr. Richard Benkin, the noted Jew thinker from USA, to discuss the impact of international terrorism. Further, in the very recent past, we had voiced the support of non-granting of extension visa by the Indian government to Miss Tasmina Nasreen, who is renowned literary personality of Bangladesh, who had a life threat from fundamentalist group, and she is hiding in our country and had requested for political asylum. After the program, it was intimated by Ms. Tasmina that Human Rights Defense India was very critical in restoring her visa by the Government of India. One of the other very recent programs organized by Human Rights Defense India for raising voice for Professor T.J. Joseph, who is a professor of Malayalam subject in Newman College of a Christian minority college affiliated with Mahatma Gandhi University. His hand was chopped in front of entire family, including her mother, 85-year-old mother, by a religious fundamentalist group operating in Kashmir, in Kerala. Surprisingly, neither the society nor the government, both Kerala and the Indian government, took any action, and they were mum on this entire incident. And no corrective and supportive action was initiated by any level. Further, his college authority also had suspended Professor Joseph from his teaching job because of the pressure being created by religious fundamentalists. With our efforts and alarm, both the government, state and central both, had taken cognizance of this heinous instance on the individuals, and we hope and pray Professor Joseph will be very soon be granted justice in all respect. Today, as you all know, Human Rights Defense India has voiced the topic of Kashmiri Pandits, victims without a voice. An artist with Kashmiri background will bring and present acceptable solutions before all of us, so that justice in the to the community at large is cited and further action in this regard are initiated. In the end, I would like to request you all to participate in the programs organized by HRDI and also request you extend your financial support so that we can take up causes to this level. And if anyone of you want to contribute financially, you can make a check or cash in favor of HRDI New Delhi. Thank you very much.
मित्रों, अभी हमारे बीच में भजन सुपोरी भी आने वाले हैं। कुछ उनका संदेश आया कि वे थोड़ा देर से आएंगे। और इस समय कश्मीर में सेक्रेटरी हैं जफर इकबाल मनहास, वे भी यहाँ पर एक्सपेक्टेड हैं, किसी भी समय हमारे बीच में होंगे। मैं कोई भी डायस पर इस समय ऐसा व्यक्ति नहीं है हमारे बीच में जिसको किसी विशेष परिचय की आवश्यकता। हम सब लोग उनसे परिचित हैं और बाहर या अपने देश में, अपने समाज में इनसे हम अपने आप को परिचित पाते हैं, अपना परिचय इनके माध्यम से पाते हैं। लेकिन आज के इस कार्यक्रम में औपचारिक रूप से मैं परिचय देने के लिए आमंत्रित करूंगा अपने सहयोगी श्री राजेश गोगना जी को कि वे मंच पर उपस्थित सभी गणमान्य और अत्यधिक सम्मान